Here are 5 natural cough remedies that you can try. Number 1. Honey consuming. A teaspoon of raw honey can soothe your throat and reduce coughing. You can also mix it with herbal tea or warm water for added benefits. Number 2. Ginger. Prepare a ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve cough symptoms. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. You can add it to your meals or make garlic tea by boiling crushed garlic cloves in water. Number 4. Lemon. Mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with warm water and honey to create a soothing drink. Lemon helps to break up mucus and reduce coughing. Number 5. Turmeric milk. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve cough symptoms.